Bridget, and today I'm going to be doing some tricks, some like tricks and stuff. Yeah, that's all for today's video. So, say hi, Mommy.
Hello.
That's surprising.
That was Daddy's trick.
That's surprising.
Okay,
I did
that's
not.
the best you got.
That's really not expecting, but okay. So here I go. It happens all the time. It happens all the time. Don't worry, it always happens.
That's all he's got.
Okay, so this one is a cartwheel. The most fabulous thing.
There's light. You need to stay in my camera.
I hope no moles comes. You guys do moles. Oh no! Daddy! Oh my gosh! Oh my. Well, he just interrupted the video. Okay. Whatever. Oh! Oh, that hurts. Now I'm gonna do the one where you land on your feet completely. There you go. Oh, I didn't do it. I'm supposed to land on my both feet.
Oh, that's a rounder.
I did it.
That's a rounder.
Yeah, round off. Now I'm just gonna do the most unexpected thing that you ever cannot realize. Ooh. 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 There we go.
Okay, let's stop and start over again.